Hello, my dear students. This is the time for the study of biology in the class 9th. And now we shall study about tissue. When we think about the organization of living organisms, we find that there are some organisms which are made of single cell, but there are many organisms which are made up of large number of cells. In fact, when atoms organize, they make molecules. Different larger molecules organize and make the first living structure, the cell. And when these cells start to live together and make a specialized structure for a particular function, then it makes tissue. This is the first organization of living units in a multicellular organism. So we can define the group of cells similar in structure, function and origin, which is specialized for a particular function, is called tissue. As we have studied two different types of organisms, plants and animals, and these are found multicellular. So in these organisms, tissues are found. That's why there are two types of tissues: plant tissue and animal tissue. Tissues found in plants are plant tissue, while the tissues found in animals are animal tissue. As the body of a multicellular organism, which is made up of cells, tissues, organs and organ systems, so there are many types of tissues which are found in these organisms. So a question arises, do we find different types of plant cells, or what are the different types of plant tissues? So when we study, then I find that there are two main types of plant tissues. First is meristem or meristematic tissue, and the other is permanent tissue. What is meristem or meristematic tissue? Look at any plant, just like a plant of sugarcane, a plant of bamboo, a plant of tomato. Look at the plant carefully and you find that the apex of the stem is the part where growth takes place. For example, suppose this is the stem, this is the apical part, and here growth takes place. We find that there are nodes, and on those nodes branches grow, leaves grow. We also find there are roots that grow in the soil, and in these roots the apical part is growing part. In besides, we find that not only length is growing, length is increasing, but thickness is also increasing. So there are, when we cut it, we find such a section and find that there are certain regions where growth takes place and thickness increases. So all those parts where growth takes place in a plant, there meristem or meristematic tissue is found. Why it happens so? Why growth takes place in these regions? It is so because the cells found there divide and redivide, and their number increases. As the number of cells increases, growth takes place. So meristem is made up of such cells, such plant cells which have capacity to divide. So we define meristem as the plant tissue which is made up of such cells which have ability to divide and multiply is called meristem or meristematic tissue. It is found in the growing regions of a plant. Later we shall study about different types of meristem or meristematic tissue. As you see here, this is the apex of the stem, this is the apex of the root. In these regions, the meristems are called apical meristem. The cells which are found at this node where branches grow, leaves grow, there these cells have ability to divide, and so this tissue made up of such cells is called intercalary meristem. And the cells which are found here as a ring, these make a ring in the shoot. These grow, these divide, these multiply, and thickness increases. These are found in the lateral region. So the meristem found here is called lateral meristem. So there are three types of meristem: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. Thank you. Have a nice day.